In today's episode, join me as I walk you through on how to transpose or swap your data in Excel. You can transpose data from rows to columns and vice versa. Before we start the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for useful video contents. Thank you. Now let's jump right into it. You open up your Excel worksheet and select the areas you want to transpose. Then you right click and select copy, or you use your control keys, Control C. Now select an empty area or cell where you want to transpose your data. You right click and select or click on paste special. Then you choose the transpose option here. Then you click on OK. Now your data has been swapped or transposed, as you can see displayed on the screen. So to reverse the order, you repeat the same step. Copy, select an empty cell, you paste special and you select transpose. So guys, that is how you easily transpose data in Excel. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.